In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage participants during a Google Meet session. This is particularly handy if you find yourself hosting an online meeting and need to remove someone from the call. Whether you're running a professional meeting or just catching up with family and friends, it's useful to know how you can manage participants effectively. Now let's dive into the steps. First things first, you need to head to your Google Meet portal. If you're already at your computer or on a device, simply open your web browser and enter Google Meet's web address. This is the main hub for starting and managing your meetings. It's where you can join meetings, set up new ones, and most importantly for us today, manage the attendees. Once you're in your Google Meet session, direct your gaze towards the bottom right corner of the screen. You will see an icon labeled People. Clicking on this icon opens up the participant list for your current meeting. This list shows everyone who is currently on the call, which makes it easier for you to manage your attendees. As you scroll through the list of participants, you may come across someone you need to remove from the call. Maybe they're having technical issues, or perhaps there's another reason you need to ask them to leave the session. Look for the name of the participant you wish to remove. Next to their name, you'll notice 3 vertical dots. Think of these dots as your access to more options regarding participant management. When you click on those 3 dots, a small menu will appear. This menu shows several options, but the one you're looking for is Remove from the Call. Clicking on this option will instantly remove the participant from the meeting. It's as straightforward as that. They will no longer be part of your current session, which can be helpful in various scenarios. And there you have it. You're all set. You've successfully mastered the art of managing participants and removing someone from a Google Meet session. This action is irreversible during that session, so it's important to be certain if you choose to remove someone. This knowledge is especially useful as we continue to rely on virtual meetings. Understanding how to manage your meetings effectively can help maintain the flow of your discussion and ensure that everything runs smoothly. Whether you're in a classroom setting or hosting a team meeting, being able to control who stays in the call can make a significant difference. Thanks for watching and following along. I hope you found this instruction easy to grasp and useful for your next Google Meet experience. Stay tuned for more tips and guides.